This is a video of the back of a hotpoint RFA52. I think it says that there, actually, you can see that. What I've done is to remove that. It just clips on, but it's a bit of an effort to do. I used a big screwdriver to do that. I also used a PH1 screwdriver to remove the holders on these wires. I think you need to do that because you've got to flip the wires upwards to clear this before you can really remove that, because it tends to snag on these wires and deny you being able to remove it. Now this is the relay. I've not seen one like this before, actually. It's a humdinger of a relay, it really is. But that's the overload protector, which is fitted in. It's a sort of ad hoc affair, I would say. They've maintained that as the original design, and then just fitted it into the body of this mechanism. It's a relay. I don't think it's working, or I've been told it's not working. So I'm going to replace it with another relay of a different type, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see over there, those are the pins. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to get my multimeter and test those pins to make sure that the compressor is working okay, because if there's doubts about the compressor, then all that I'm about to do is not needed, because we can't replace the compressor at all. It's not a job worth doing. So that's the situation at the moment. I'll follow it up with part 2 of this to show the new relay in place, and hopefully it'll be working okay.